Hello, everyone. My name's Rebecca, and I work at Hamden Public Library. In today's video, I will show you one way to start a playlist using our new service, Freegal. To find Freegal, look on our website, hamdenlibrary.org. Under Popular Links, mouse over and click on Download and Stream. On this page, our services are in alphabetical order, so on the day this is recorded, Freegal shows up first. When you're ready to use Freegal, click on the service title or icon, and you'll be redirected to Hamden Library's Freegal homepage. In order to use Freegal, you will need to log in using the number from a Hamden Library card in good standing. For more information about how to sign up for a Hamden Library card, or for details on how to sign in to Freegal with your Hamden Library card, see my coworker Thomas's videos. I've linked them in the description below. If you have more questions about Freegal after this walkthrough, you can contact us by email or chat with us on Facebook. Chat hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. You can also access Freegal's help documents at this link. Now, on to how to start a playlist. After logging in, you should be redirected back to Freegal's homepage. It should look something like this. The playlists shown and the image under announcements will change over time, but this is the layout on a desktop or laptop. If you know what you're looking for, advanced search or keyword search are good tools. But if you want to build a playlist and don't know where to start, Browse is where to look for inspiration. On all pages in the Browse section, the blue bar near the top of the screen has icons for trending, new arrivals, genres, playlists, artists, music videos, and audiobooks. Trending is the default page in this section because it shows the playlists, songs, and albums most popular on Freegal that day. To explore additional popular media in any category, mouse over View All and click. These are the most popular songs on the day the video for this walkthrough was recorded. See how each album's cover art has play symbols over it? To listen to a song, mouse over the album art and click. The player bar for Freegal will pop up at the bottom of your screen, and the song will begin playing. To add a song directly to a playlist without taking away from available streaming time, look to the three icons to the right of every song. Mousing over them causes brief descriptions of what they do to pop up. To start a playlist, mouse over the one that looks like three parallel lines and a plus sign. Click it, and this menu pops up. You can then add the song to an existing playlist or create a new playlist. To create a new playlist, highlight Create Playlist and click. When this screen pops up, type a title into the field labeled Name. Descriptions aren't required, and titles and descriptions can always be edited later. Click Create New Playlist, and there's now a new playlist with one song on it. To recap, after you're logged in, look at the pages in the Browse section if you're stuck on inspiration for your playlist. If you find a song you like, look to the right of the song title for the Add to Playlist or Create a New Playlist icon. It looks like this. Finally, click the icon, choose Create Playlist, enter a title, and click Create. That's how you start a playlist when browsing Freegal. When using the app, a different icon is used to save space. Instead of three horizontal icons, Freegal uses an icon with three vertical dots. This is also the icon used next to songs on playlists in desktop view. To add a song using this icon, click on the three dots. Again, Add to Playlist is the center option. Click on it. Then, add the song to an existing playlist or create a new playlist. Playlist 4 now has 2 songs. To grow a playlist song by song, repeat this process until satisfied with the playlist's length. As you do this, please be aware that available Freegal streaming time for each Hamden Public Library user each day is 3 hours. If your playlist is longer than 3 hours in length, you will not be able to listen to that playlist in full. Thank you for watching this walkthrough about how to start or add songs to a Freegal playlist. If you have more questions, you can use the link on your screen, which is also in the video description below, to access help documents from Freegal. You can also email us at info@hamdenlibrary.org or chat with us on Facebook Monday through Friday between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. or 4 and 8 p.m. Eastern. Enjoy music, stay safe, and thanks for watching.